Unlock the power of artificial intelligence right on your Mac by running the impressive DeepSeek R1 model locally. To begin, we need the essential software first. Navigate to your terminal and install a package manager specifically designed for AI development. Think of it as the central hub for all your AI tools. Next, we'll need to acquire the DeepSeek R1 model files themselves. Visit the official project repository on GitHub, where you'll find the instructions to download the model weights, which are the core intelligence of the AI. Once downloaded, we need to configure the model for your specific MacBook. This involves adjusting settings like the number of processing units. To utilize, you might also need to specify where the model files are located on your system. To ensure smooth and speedy performance, we'll introduce a few optimization tricks. This could involve tweaking certain parameters within the configuration to leverage your Mac's unique hardware capabilities for the best results. Sometimes, you might encounter a hiccup if your model isn't running as expected. Don't worry. We'll walk through common troubleshooting steps, such as confirming file paths or checking for any conflicts with other software. With these steps completed, you're now ready to interact with DeepSeek R1 directly on your MacBook, opening up a world of local AI experimentation and development accessible right at your fingertips.